What's up, guys? I'm doing an unboxing on my Bardock that I got from Dragon Stars today. I pre-ordered it at GameStop, but the release date was on the 18th, and this is on Monday. I think it's the 24th. Yeah, I was waiting 6 days since the release date. But yeah, and my brother got the cooler last minute. Oh yeah, the cooler is huge, but we're focusing on the Bardock on this video. That's my dog. It says Bardock right here in the Dragon Star series. So if you hear noise in the background, my brother's right there, and he's just watching to see. And it's a really cool picture of Bardock. And then says the series is that we got Ultra Instinct Goku. Sign, Super Saiyan Vegeta, Super Saiyan Gogeta, Cooler, Final Form, my Bardock, and Super Saiyan Blue Vegeta. Yeah, this Series 15, this Series 16. Yeah, it says Bardock on the side right there. Let's get to the unboxing. Let's see. Can't get this side. Oh, there we go. There we go. I'm so excited for this figure. Yeah. So here's the actual figure. Here's his hands. So that's one thing out. Yeah, it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to take out for some reason. Oh, wow, he's really cool. Oh, wow. Oh, whoa. I'm really happy with this because I've been waiting so long for this Bardock. That I just couldn't wait any longer. And then he finally came in. So this is the Bardock. Sorry, I'm really laughing for some reason. These are his hands. Well, the next review is gonna be with my brother, the one who doesn't talk on his reviews, cause shout out to the comment. He said he's too scared. Well, thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.